Guangzhou SY Dreambuilder Imp and EXP Co. Limited is a professional manufacturer of custom bags with over 15 years of experience in this industry. Our production facilities are located in Guangzhou, Yiwu, and Dangyang, which is well-known bag production base in China, covering a total area of more than 4,000 square meters and staffed by over 300 skilled workers, with a daily output of over 3,000 bags. Our product range includes backpacks, pencil cases, organizers, travel bags, and various functional bags, all customizable to meet specific client requirements. We offer strong production capacity, strict quality control, and efficient delivery. We specialize in OEM and ODM services, supported by our in-house design team, independent manufacturing workshops, and dedicated sales support. Whether you have a design ready or need help developing one, we can bring your vision to life with professional craftsmanship and flexible customization options. At SY Dreambuilder, we are committed to quality, innovation, and long-term partnerships. We look forward to cooperating with clients from around the world to build a successful future together.